All right, here we go. Cool. Hey guys, Insco here, Insco's Adventures. We're out here on beautiful Draper Lake on this beautiful Sunday. Here with Senor Eric. Eric will be the future kayaker. And Eric is going to be taking out this poor boat. Has been neglected for a couple of years now. The Dagger's coming out today. We're gonna paddle around Draper, and your first time kayaking, right?
First time.
It'll be his first time kayaking, so this will be cool to see if your reaction, how you feel about his first time. I came out and I kayaked. I fell in love with it. And so yeah, we got the Wilderness Systems and the Dagger, and we are going to go way over yonder, and we are going to see what we can see. Man, you see the shadow of that cloud over there? That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
that's cool. Anyway guys, it's Sunday. It's in Oklahoma City. If you're in Oklahoma City, not outside, shame on you. Put the 1 foot, no, straddle it 1 foot on each side of it. There you go. Now go ahead and sit down if you can. Get your feet in. How's that feel?
Different. Never been in one.
All right, so I'm gonna give you a little push. Whoa, can you try to see if you can scoot yourself a little bit? Oh, you got that. You got it.
Oh wow.
This is Eric in his first moments. As you can see, Jamie and Elia, he will survive.
Yeah, I'll make it.
Now, if it feels tippy, it's not.
Okay.
It's got great primary stability. All right, now we're gonna launch this guy. So we were at point 1 here on Draper, and Eric's back there getting his bearings. It takes a little bit to learn to steer one of these boats. Let's see here. Coming into Cove on point 1. Quite a few people out fishing today. Very cool. So man, what do you think about Draper?
I think it's beautiful. It's very nice. And kayaking is relaxing.
Very relaxing.
It's a workout, so it's relaxing.
How do those two words go together? Workout and relaxing. But they do.
They do.
They do on the water. There's a speed demon right there. Yes, Jamie and Elia, he's doing quite well. Mr. Chando, I know you'll be watching this. Just want to tell you, eat your heart out. Nah, man, I hope you get better. You gotta get healed up, bro, soon. Get out here. There's still a few inches of this lake we probably haven't explored yet, so hurry up and get better. So the last time I came out here, where I'm at right now, was dry land. So the water level at Draper has come up a lot. Like, this is actually incredible. Everywhere around me for 100 yards every direction was dry. So the rains have been making a difference. This is our little hidden beach. So yeah guys, the last time I did a video, I'm sure it's on this channel, dry land was way out where those sticks are, way out there. Chando, if you see this, I know you'll see this, man. Look how much the water has come up now. This is our little hidden beach. Remember over there, it's already paddled all the way up. Remember the water was way over there. Now it's here. And if we get as much rain as they're saying we're going to get this week, maybe by next weekend it's up where it used to be. So out here with Eric, and Eric just kayaked the Dagger all the way from way yonder. I wonder how long that is. It's got to be what, at least a mile or two, right?
We can get on Google Maps later. And
We'll have to Google Maps it and find out. But it was a good little paddle on the Dagger.
Yeah.
And we're gonna chill here a little bit, get a bottle of water, and see what else we can get into. So the wind has stopped, and look how calm the water is, man. Look how the nose of that boat's just cutting through the water, like completely. The wind stopped blowing. It was like a 3 to 5 mile an hour wind. The water's almost like glass. And there are people indoors watching TV right now, or messing online when they should be out here. Like that family is over there. They got their boat and their kids out playing on the shore of the lake. So this is the island formerly known as Chando Island, now known as Insko. Yeah, the beach that was on this side of the island is now covered in water, which again is a good sign. Water levels are back up. Chando Beach over there. I wonder if that bird got a visa to come land on my island.